Loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith Afine and I'm currently at Bogobri. Bogobri is a resident for the Hausas.
Shall we? Oh, that's the joy that comes with eating suya.
This is the process of making maza maza. Maza maza is made from rice and is served with any sauce, pepper and sugar. This costs for 15 naira each. I'll be having this with just pepper and I can't wait to try this out. whole long walk. We didn't get fura but we got maza and suya and water. We didn't get fura because you can't get it around this time of the day. You only get it in the morning. So I'm going to open this so you guys can see. So this is maza. We got this for 200 naira. One is 50 naira. I poured all the pepper, this one is like. This is maza. And yes, this here. I'm going to open it. I can't remember the last time I ate suya. It's really small. This is the suya. And aquafina water. So let's try it. I don't know I'm supposed to eat it, but let me just mix it the way my head is. It's giving puff-puff vibe, but you know puff-puff, there's always pepper and all those things. Not bad. I try, I like it, it's not bad. Not maza, sorry, it's like. My next thing, shout out to Esther for saving my house today.
Hey! Story for another day.
Hey guys, so I'm done with everything. Done with my maza and done with the suya. I definitely had a good time at Bogobri and yeah, please don't forget to like this video, please. I went through a lot. Please and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.